Hi guys, we've been working on a 2019 Forester, and the tire blown out, and it took out the fender liner a little bit here, and we kind of been repairing it. So for some reason you decide your liner gets ripped off or a tire blows up and takes it out. I'm sure you guys had to remove a 19 Forester fender liner. You need a clip remover and a number 10. So there's gonna be a bunch of clips right here. Let me pull one of these off. I'll show you guys. Looks like this. Very similar to the 18, 17, 16 Foresters. As long as you put your little clip remover in here and just pop it. If you don't have one of these, you can use a flathead. It will work just as well. There's gonna be one here, see the holes? One here, one here, one here. There's one here, there's one right here. If you just use this little size, like if it was a flathead, and just nudge it, see how it comes out? Really easy. And there's one up here in the very middle. There you go. And then there's going to be one up here in the back. You pull that back one off here. There's one more right behind the tire. You could do this by just jacking up the car without removing the rim. That's what we're doing. There's one more right here. You see it, Corey? Mm-hmm. You get this guy out. And then there's a big one right here. You pull this big one. You see it? Right there. This guy's got to come out. And then right here. Can you see it? Should I raise the car up? Let me raise the car up a little bit. Right here. There's one right here. Oh! One of these. There's one right here, similar to this. There's one right here, similar to this. There's another one right here, similar to this. Get these three. I'll show you. Let me pull it back. There's one more right here. Pull these guys out, and then the most important one. There's one right here. This one's ripped because it ripped out, but let me show you guys. Let me pull this down because it's loose now. You just gotta untuck it from the bumper. Come on. Oh, I'm missing one right here. The clips have a lot of power, holding power that is. And there you go. This big one, it goes right here. As you see it right here, it goes right here. You hold it. So you gotta take this one off. It's from the fender liner. Okay. So you got total, I would say, small clip wise, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 small clips, which would be this kind right here. And then the rest are going to be these big ones. Probably 5 of the big ones you got. There's a number 10 right here, which is this guy. And you got 1, 2, 3. There's one here, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 7 big ones. So if you're nearby, we're in Rancho Cordova, California. Come by, I'll give you a bunch of clips so you don't have to buy them from the dealer. So the same way, I don't have the new one yet because their car's too new and the dealer hasn't got it to me yet. We use Shingle Springs Subaru up at Shingle Springs. Talk to Jason, he's the man. Along with the other guys too. But Jason's the man. I hope Jason doesn't watch this video. Anyways, so we're not gonna put it back on today unless they call me and tell me, hey, it's there, I'll go grab it. It's a Saturday. So maybe we'll make another video of putting it back on. The same goes for the other side. If you want to remove that liner on that side, I'm sure we'll get another one of these cars in that needs to remove that side, and we'll do that then.